All right, even though it's raining a little bit, we'll take a nice little short jaunt. Well, I hope it's a short jaunt because it's kind of raining through here. This is really interesting. We'll just take, oh, look, it's a little marsh area. I don't want I don't want some alligator to come out and grab me. Oh, this is wild. That's yeah, that's crazy. I've never been anywhere like this. Mhm. Wow. Yeah, look at all the knuckles from the ball cypress. Yeah, that's wow. Let me zoom in. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Oh wow. Trees are pretty tall. It's nice seating area. Yeah, this would be nice in the summertime. I know it's something lurking in those waters. Oh, they got a game camera. Keep an eye on who's out here or what's out here walking around. All right, guys, it's starting to rain a little bit heavier, so I'm gonna shut this off.